This video will give you a comprehensive understanding of how to use the render function in RHIKNOWBOT. The video is in two parts: what render can do, how to use it. What can render do? Quick rendering expression. After building a model, you can make renderings in for project presentation. Render functions. Material and rendering environment settings. Assign materials to objects. Select the object to which the material is to be assigned. Then select the material to be assigned from the material combo box. Finally, click the Assign button to assign the material to the object. Change the position of the sun and the background sky. You can select the time and background sky by clicking on the combo box. Add environmental background model to the scene. Select the 3D design models. Then click Assign to add the pre-selected environmental background model to the scene. Options of environmental background models can be found by simply clicking on the combo box. Switch to ray tracing mode to view the rendering result. Automatic camera setup. First, click the Set key, select the object for the camera to be focused on, and press the Enter key. Adjust the view type. Finally, click the Set key to generate a camera view by orbiting around the focused object. You can view the generated camera view in the Named View window. Output the rendered image. Click the Set key to open the Rendering View window. Check the views to be rendered. Click the Confirm key. Adjust the rendering quality. Click the Render key. Select the image output location. Rendering. The rendering window will be closed automatically after the rendering is completed. You can find and review the renderings at the output location. This is the end of render tutorial. Thank you for watching.